everybody, so this is our final project for the innovation. I will start with the introduction of the company. So the company we chose is Uliving, which is a co-living company that provides student housing. We're focusing on the Paulista unit. So the size of the organization, Uliving is one of the leading companies of these services in Brazil. It is present in 5 cities and it differentiates itself by the location and the quality of services that they offer. So the services that Uliving offers are the accommodation, so individual and shared rooms, the common areas, and maintenance, high-speed internet, cleaning, and 24-hour security. They also offer events and activities. So the mission of Uliving is to provide a co-living that promotes community, professional, and personal growth, and it bases itself in 4 fundamentals that are community and experience, innovation, urban impact, and student spirit.
So, moving on to the service you provide, namely the student housing booking and the check-in process. It is really important for you to make this process lean. And why? Because it's the first point of contact for students, mainly through your homepage, which is, here you can see a screenshot. Also, it's really crucial to set a positive tone for their stay and to ensure that it's a smooth process, which also enhances customer satisfaction. And we noticed there have been several problems before the start of the semester because there have been high demands. And also other problems which have been brought up were long booking confirmation times, poor interdepartmental communication, room readiness issues, lack of communication between departments, and also many students have complained that the room was not ready upon check-in.
Information flow have client's application which received by license agent. After this, they make their contract with a license department. After confirmation, they send it back to license agent. Then they make the payment, and after payment, all the information sent to unit management team and then to concierge. In the service flow, we have booking requests on website and booking confirmation there. After this, client receives the email and then house contract making begins. Then after housing contract analyzing by analyzing department, they sign the contract with client, and after this, the client should make the payment, and after payment processing, their unit management make a room preparation, and then concierge make their check-in after client's arrival.
So as for the critical analysis, we first have the tech time, which when calculated, you can see the calculation on the slides, turns out to be 3.2 hours per booking, which is the time we're aiming for. We then have identified some waste in the current process with a bunch of waiting times, where the contract analysis, for example, takes 3 to 4 days. There's very poor interdepartmental communication, where the departments don't talk to each other. There is instances of the rooms not being ready when the team comes, so they need to redo them, or the wrong room being done, and a lot of things like this. We then also have some opportunities for continuous flow, which identified. First of all, we're proposing an automated contract creation, which reduces the lead time from days to just hours. We have digital contracts, which usually utilize e-signatures, and real-time communication platforms, which make communication much easier. We also are proposing to integrate a centralized task management and some quality assurance checks to make sure that everything is ready once the person actually arrives. To get started in this, we need to do automated responses, implement digital workflows, and do final quality checks. To do this, we have a few flow points and pull points, which include automated booking, digital contract signing, payment processing, and room preparation. And the pull processes include digital contract signing that triggers the payment processing, for example. The contract signing triggers the room preparation, and the room readiness check triggers the final check-in confirmation, so that everything works more lean. And this leads to our final future state map, which you can see here, which leads to a much lesser total time that it takes from booking to the student arriving.
Let's move on with our implementation strategy. For that, we defined 4 objectives. Firstly, we will increase the staff productivity and the operational efficiency. Then we will improve the customer experience. And lastly, we will ensure high quality standards. For that, we defined also 4 phases. The first phase is in month 1, which is implementing an automated booking system and digital contract workflows. The second month will adopt a real-time communication platform and centralized task management. The third month will establish a quality assurance team and develop standard operating procedures. And in the fourth month, we will implement flow points at key stages like booking and contract signing and establish pull points for room preparation and payment processing.
So coming to the last part of our presentation, I will summarize the points which were most important during our analysis and also the implemented improvements we have filtered out. So the problems we identified were long booking confirmation times, poor interdepartmental communication, room readiness issues, and a lack of feedback loops between departments, and which resulted in a lot of impact, namely delays in rework and also a lot of customer dissatisfaction due to poor service quality. So our recommendations would be, first of all, automation. To prevent long booking confirmation times, you should implement an automated booking confirmation system. Also focus on real-time communication through communication platforms like Microsoft Teams. Also adopt a centralized task management system like Asana or Trello. And lastly, to ensure quality, which should be established and form as a dedicated quality assurance team. So thank you so much.